Pink fairy, 1, 2, 3. Come on, let's get fancy, fancy. Pink fairy, shop with me. Let's go to Target, Walmart, Aldi.
Everyone, how's everyone doing?
Pink fairy, 1, 2, 3. Come on, let's get fancy, fancy.
Hey everyone, good morning. How you doing? As you see, I'm on about. We're on our way to pick Haley up. Yay, she's been gone for 5 days. So it's definitely time for her to come home for a little while. And her baby cousin will be over. So like I told you in one of the other videos this week, he'll be here tomorrow. We're watching him. He's he's either 1.5, 2. I think he might be 2. Somewhere in there. So she enjoys, you know, playing teenage babysitter with him and stuff like that. So I got me a Diet Coke. I didn't even have me a coffee this morning. We got up, got ready, and headed off to get Haley. So that's what they're doing. Or that's what we're doing. Oh, I'm just not feeling it today, y'all. I am not feeling it at all. I think I've done, just talk about the weight loss journey, blah, blah, blah on my channel. Then again, I still might. You never know about me. Road's closed?
That way.
Oh, back that way?
Yeah. Tearing down the culvert.
Probably replacing culverts, yeah. Hey everyone, we made it home. Haley's here. She's getting her some ketchup. She even dyed her hair and everything. Look, you can't even hardly tell who she is anymore. She put a dark brown on.
Yeah, it
Looks a lot better.
It's a brownish.
So where'd you had that? Like blue, yeah. She's eating her some good old healthy chicken nuggets and fries. Milo was happy to see her.
Oh, baby.
What, you baby? She went to Chinese, went shopping. She got, or what was that shirt you got?
Harley Quinn.
A Harley Quinn shirt. If y'all know who Harley Quinn is, I don't. But Haley does.
Do you know the Joker?
You ain't coming up here. Nope, I don't know the Joker. Oh yeah, on the deck of cards, yeah.
Not that Joker. He has green hair and a white face.
Batman Joker.
Oh,
No.
from Batman. Yeah.
But he's in that show too. Harley Quinn Date 10.
Okay, I've never seen it.
It's pretty good. Deadpool's in it too.
It's a cartoon. Oh, yeah, might watch it one day then. You never know.
I first watched it at my cousin's house.
Okay. All right. Now shake it.
I was watching cheerleading today. Good. Back.
Well, it's competitions, wasn't it?
Championship. Better do front handspring, back handspring, front flips, back flips, front turnovers, and everything. I was like,
You gotta be good at that.
I can't do that. I can't even do a cartwheel,
You gotta be good.
let alone that.
Right?
These Tyson ones are good.
All day long, I could hear your voice.
Drink your water.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, guys, on the way back from picking Haley up, we found some. Oh, look at all this. Got a package in. We got 2 packages actually. Found where we always get our corn at. They's putting some out, so we stopped and got some. You get 12 of these for $6. So we got 12 of them. So we're gonna be having corn every night. Got some ready for dinner tonight. Yummy. That's how I usually wipe my counters. Not really. And then I just got this in the mail. It's a Pioneer Woman. I got it off online. Walmart's or Amazon. Whichever one you want. Fits all perfect with all the rest of my Pioneer. Everything's Pioneer but these. On these 2 things. Knives, scissors, and all that and that. I love it. Says it on either side too, so that's kind of good. That other thing I had here, that's a piece off that other thing. Was a pot thing to plant a flower in, so I love this. Don't you guys? Oh, and that's Pioneer Woman. Officially, I have my whole kitchen Pioneer Woman. And then this part went out on our refrigerator. So Tim had to order another one for $200. So we had to get that.
Yep, I gotta just get this tube out of here.
So now he's gonna get the tube out of there. And I need to wash the refrigerator too. Dirty hands.
Look at the difference.
Yeah, well.
Yellow and dingy.
And how new
Nice
and clear that one
clear.
is, yeah. Nice and clean. Well, we've had this fridge forever. And this part's even more money, isn't it? We need a new one of these 2, because the temperature thing don't work right on it.
It works. It's just a couple of the LEDs went out.
Yeah, that's what I mean. So that means it don't work, right?
Well, I mean, temperature still is the right temperature. It just doesn't show.
Well, yeah, it's the right temperature now. I just mean it don't show the numbers. Right. So hopefully this will work good. And nice cold water.
This little teeny tiny bend right here broke on the other one.
Okay.
And it doesn't hold the spring anymore. So now this one springs like it's supposed to.
Yep. I just thought it was crazy how much it cost.
That's because all the electronics on it.
Let me
too.
clean all that there for you. Before you put it on.
Yeah.
There we go. That's better. So we'll leave him alone and let him do his work. Handyman. His handyman work. Right, babe?
Yep.
Hey guys, we're going to get in the pool. Haley's out here in her swimsuit. Getting her tan screen on. Someone mentioned that gets really big. And that's what Tim said. He said that's why he pulled it away from the house. You want to get in the pool? These 2 don't like the pool. Milo will. He'll jump in it. Don't I have a wonderful yard? We got lots of yard. I can't wait to get cooler so we can go over and eat outside. Sit over and eat. It's too hot to eat out now. Way too hot. We gonna get started? Go. Take the cover off, yeah. I need to come out here and walk anyways. I showed them all that yesterday. See, dogs love coming out with us. Oh, can't get that string out of here. I want that to filter. Oh, it's nice and warm. Nice and clean and warm. I love pool videos. So if you guys got a pool, make some pool videos. It needs more water in it too. It's supposed to be filled up to the line over there all the way. Yeah, it's warm. So if you guys got pools and do videos and you film your pool, let me know. I'll watch them. I love pool videos. Oh yeah.
But it's really clean pool.
Yeah, it's nice and clean. It's because that cover keeps it nice and clean. I like to get little floaty things to put in the pond. That'd be cool, wouldn't it? That'd look pretty cool. I like to get some like rubber duckies or something. That'd be cool. Oh, look, see if Dollar Tree's got any. We need to go to Dollar Tree soon. Anyways, I want to get more things to hang up there too. Over time, over time. Hopefully, we'll be out of here by next year sometime. We'll see. Go ahead and make a splash. Well, you can't dive at it. It's not big enough. Deep enough. Oops. We're waiting on Haley to make a splash. Swim over.
Ready?
Yeah. Go.
Ready? Set. Go. It's kind of cold.
Is it? That's when you first get in.
Yeah.
It is.
My eyes. I still have my.
Okay, guys, got our thumbnail, as you heard and seen. I said, let's do a thumbnail. Hey, real life, I ain't editing it out either. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe. And I love y'all, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.